What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Hyundai Elantra Smart Key Remote Fob. This Hyundai Elantra key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2450, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to change this key fob battery is a flathead screwdriver. So if we grab our screwdriver and we grab our key fob, and we hold our key fob with the buttons facing down, and then we take a look on the outside. Off to the one side, we see there's this notch right here. What I'm going to do is put my screwdriver in that notch like this, push it in as far as it will go, then I'm just going to twist the screwdriver. And as I do that, it pops the case apart, and then go ahead and pull that back cover off. And now we can see our battery right here, and this battery will just slide out of this holder. Like that. Once we get the old battery out, we can grab our new replacement battery. And you want to make sure that you're installing your new battery with the plus side up, positive side up. Slide it down into that holder. And then we can snap the two halves of the remote back together. And that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out. And I'd appreciate it. Thank you.